Are you ready for a mind-blowing revelation? What if I told you your greatest betrayal won't come from your enemy? It will come from the one who calls you brother. Welcome to ShortyVerseYT. Before we start, if you want to conquer the world with your psychology moves, be sure to not skip a single sec of this video. Today we decode the 48 laws of power. Specifically, we break down Law 2. Never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies. Now, before we dive in, I'm gonna warn you, the knowledge in this series could get you cancelled. So if you're easily triggered, just skip to the next video. Welcome back. Alright, let's get into it. So why not trust friends? Because they expect too much. They envy, they feel entitled. And when they hurt you, it's personal. Enemies, they don't pretend. When they join you, it's loyalty earned, not given. Let me give you a history hot tip. In the Byzantine Empire, there was an emperor named Michael III. He had a best friend, a confidant, a homie. His name was Basilius. Now, Michael made Basilius his second in command. He gave him power, he gave him trust. Guess what Basilius did? He killed Michael, he took the throne, he crowned himself emperor. Why? Because friends know your weaknesses and your passwords. Now let's switch it up, let's bring it to modern day. How many startups end in a lawsuit? How many business partnerships end in a fistfight? How many friendships end in a toxic breakup? Well, here's some real talk. Friends want favors, enemies want results, and usually the enemy is right. If someone stabs you in the back, you can forgive them. If someone stabs you in the front, you can't even defend yourself. That's Law 2. So be smart. Respect your enemies. They won't stab you in the back, they'll stab you in the front. But here's the thing, you always see it coming. And my real question for you is, who do you trust more? Someone who's always trying to one-up you, outdo you, compete with you? Or someone who's got nothing to gain by being by your side, but everything to lose? You think enemies lie? Sure, but their lives are performance. They're doing it for an audience. They have to maintain their image. They need to stay true to their brand. You think friends lie? No, they don't have to. Their lies are passive-aggressive. It's a backhanded compliment. It's gossiping behind your back. It's the green-eyed monster of envy. Your enemy doesn't suffer from that. They don't care about themselves. They care about winning. They're ruthless, they're focused, they're laser-sharp. They're not distracted by petty jealousies. That's the beauty of the enemy. That's why you should use them. So remember, never put too much trust in friends. Learn how to use enemies. Oh, and by the way, your enemy doesn't hate you. They just want what you have. That's why they're trying to take you out. They don't hate you. They envy you. And now I'm gonna leave you with a warning. Conceal your intentions. Don't reveal your intentions. Keep people guessing. Give no hints. If you show others the cards you're holding, they can play accordingly. That's Law 3, and honestly, it's one of the most powerful laws in the entire 48 laws of power. So this is a sneak peek of what's coming next. Like, comment, subscribe, do all those things. And remember, knowledge is power, and power, it's dangerous. Welcome back to ShortyVerse. We break down the darkest book ever written, the 48 laws of power. We release one episode every single day, and you can watch them all on our channel. Last important message. The last important message. Guys, subscribe us. We are giving the knowledge that nobody gives you in free. And if you want a free book, just comment 48 Law of Power